So over here you can see that I have a video footage, and let's say what I want to do is I want to go around and export out a still frame out of this particular footage right here. So I'm just going to go around and pause and keep my timeline cursor where I want to export the frame from. Then I'm going to go around and click on the hamburger icon right here, and over here you can see export still frame is an option right here. So if I were to go around and click right here, then what you can do is you can go around and then rename this out right here. So let's say, for example, tube, and then I'm just going to type in frame over here. Then you can see export to is an option over here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and click right here, and in desktop, I'm going to just select this out, and you can choose the resolution for the export as well. I'm just going to leave it to default to 720p, which is what I have as a resolution for this particular project. Then you can choose the format as well, which may be JPEG or PNG. So now what I'm also going to do is turn on import project right here, so that the still frame exported gets re-imported back onto this particular project. So I'm just going to go around and click on export now, and what happens is that the frame is exported, and over here you can see the frame over here just like this as a separate image right here. And now even if I were to play, you can see that this is a still image. I can go around, right click, and then open the file location as well, and it opens up my desktop, and here you can see that this is what you have. So if I were to go around and double click, you can see that this is a frame out of the video footage that we had right here. So it has been exported as an image. So that is how you can export out still frames inside of CapCut desktop editor out of videos or any portion of the project that you have. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.